So I so I want all of you to open your chat section wherein I have pasted few links. First link is of syllabus link in which you'll get to know in what all topics you will be going to cover in your syllabus. Then there is a payment link. This is for your reference in case you have not enrolled yet for this course. No need to worry. You can still complete your payment process and you can join the batch. So we are always welcome to take up the feedback. For that, you just need to fill up this feedback form. In case you want to know in more detail about this particular batch, for that you just need to click on this all batch detail link. Oscar, I'll come to you for your question, okay? And in case you have any further queries, feel free to email us at support@olympiadsuccess.com or you can drop us a WhatsApp message on these two particular numbers, okay? So yes, Oscar, you wanted to say something? I have unmuted you. Yes, Oscar, speak.
What if our parents want to say something and we are on the mute and we can't say anything?
I didn't get your point. Can you please repeat again?
What if our parents want to talk to you like about something or anything and we can only be on mute? How can we tell you and how can our parents say to you what's
Your parents can reach out on these two WhatsApp numbers, which I have pasted in the chat box. Okay,
okay?
got it? All right, so let's interact with your mentor now. She's already here with us. Her name is Miss Neha Singh. She's a wonderful mentor. She's been taking Olympiad classes since so long. So she has a pretty good experience in different Olympiads for training the kids. So I'm sure you'll be going to have a productive sessions along with a fun-filled way. So with this, over to you, Neha, ma'am.
Hi kids. Today we won't be able to talk to each other, but in the upcoming sessions we are going to talk. Okay? Don't worry. It will be a very interactive and uh, interesting session. Okay? You're going to learn a lot. Over to you, Bob.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So now we will be going to have a presentation on the screen. So I want all of you to be very, very attentive. Okay. So over to you, Mika, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, kids. I welcome you all on the platform of Olympiad Success. So, as you all know, Olympiad Success is the India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examination. We are the India's first exclusive live classes for Olympiad preparation, serving in 35 plus countries, plus over trusted by students from over 5,000 schools and partners. We have various like SASMO, CMO, HKMO, TIMO, Maths Count, and Maths Kangaroo. We have School Plus program having maths, English, science, logical reasoning, communication, spoken written, Vedic maths, and coding, which covers the grade from 2 to grade 12 across CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE, and IB class from IB curriculum. We have rank holders, international rank holders. These are kids like you only. No need to worry. You just need to spare extra 2 hours from regular studies because Olympiad examination is quite little tougher than the regular curriculum. So all the sessions, all the classes will be delivered via Zoom, via experienced Olympiad tutors with small group with 20 students per batch. We have 45 total sessions and we have having 3 sessions per week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Live classes will be starting from April 18, 2026. So the class time will be from 8 p.m. till 9:15 p.m. with 5 minutes of break. We will expert live tutoring plus level 2 mock test for English, daily reading notes, and extensive of previous year question papers. What's your commitment? Should be 2 hours of daily dedicated studies, desktop and laptop with the better internet connection and parental support to the concept and verify the answers. The fee of this course is rupees 10,038, which covers the complete 45 session course, and this includes live Olympiad class, daily notes and exercise, level 2 previous year practice, and access of the platform. So as you all know, the live classes will be starting from 18th of April 2026. So this is all about PPT. I hope I'm clear to everyone. Right? Oscar, if I'm clear, show me thumbs up. All right. Over to you, Pooja ma'am. Yeah, Pooja ma'am is coming in 2 minutes. I hope PPT is clear to everyone, right? Taksh, Anmol, Kasif, Oscar, Devansh, right? Neil. What's the class days and class timings? Write it in a chat box. What's the class days and class timings? I'll check whether you have seen the PPT or not. Great. All right. Intelligent kids.
All right, so let's have a dashboard tour now. So you need to enter this URL, olympiadsuccess.com. Over here, just a second. You need to go on login, enter the email ID with which you will register on this platform, okay? After signing in, you will get your profile details. Check it in case you find an error, you can update it over here. Now click on online classes, click on course material, select the subject, select the topic, click on schedule, in which you'll get the clarity in which session you're going to cover which particular topic. After completion of every chapter, there's a test discussion that you'll get the clarity that whether you have understood about that particular topic or not. Okay. In case of doubt, you can ask from your mentor. So in last, there are super classes in that you will get to know about the previous year papers. All right. So holiday calendar is there for your reference that you should not miss any of your session because already we do have festival holidays. Coming up on a reading material. So here you can see we have content in detail for your better understanding. Now we have exercises for you after the content. All right. So there is answer key also, but I recommend you to solve your paper and then check your answer keys later on. All right. So now there's more practice for you under section of test series. Click on practice test. Select your subject. Click on take exam. Read instructions. Tick this box. Click on start worksheet. I'm filling up the random answers, but I'm sure you'll be going to practice it and then fill it. Once you have done all the questions, click on finish button for the submission of the worksheet. And the parallelly moment, same moment, you can check your performance, that how you performed in this question. Okay, so correct answer is C, I have filled B. So you can see the explanation also. Okay, so yes, that's pretty much about it. Now we are open for the question answer round. If anybody is having doubt, feel free to ask your questions. Otherwise, we'll be happy to start with your demo. Any doubt? Yes, Oscar. Type your question in the chat box. No doubt? Okay, so everything is good. Shall we move ahead? All right. Yes, Taksh. Any doubt? Anmol? Why Kashyap's and Devansh's camera is off? Hey, Neil. Hey, Dharya. I can see only hair of the Dharya and a little bit part of the spectacles now. Now I can see a little bit part of eyes. Dharya, tell down your screen that I can see your complete face. Oh, good. Little bit more. Perfect now. Okay, so any doubt or shall we begin? Okay, we got two questions. Class days. Oh, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. That's absolutely correct. Not Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Okay, so timing, I hope you are aware of it. So with this, let's begin with the demo then. Show me thumbs up if you want to start a demo with your mentor. Okay, over to you, Neha ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Oscar is here. Neil is here, Daksh is here, Dharya, Anmol camera is off, Kashif camera is off, and Devansh camera is off. Yeah, I can see Anmol now. Kashif and Devansh, if it's possible, please turn on your camera. Okay, let's start today with the topic time. Okay, I hope every one of you know how to watch the time. Okay, fine. Basically, what is time? It is the instrument to measure the sequences of the events. Okay, what's happening in the past, what is happening in the present, what's going to happen in the future. Yes, Oscar, you're saying something? You're singing a song? Okay, fine. So, whatever the sequences of event is happening, okay, what's happened in the past. Okay, suppose if I ask you that what you had in the breakfast, it means what you did, what you have already done. That is the that is the event happened in the past. If I ask you what are you doing now, you will say, ma'am, I'm taking the class. Okay, the event that is happening in the present. If I ask you what you're going to, do you have any plans for night? You're going to watch a movie, you're going out for a dinner, that is the activity which is planned in the future. Now these sequences, how we get to know with the help of time. So basically the time is divided in three: past, present and future. Okay, but this will not work. We have to know the exact measurement of the things. Okay, so what is the unit of measurement? From the duration we'll start. Actually, the shortest duration is seconds. Okay, the shortest duration of measuring a time is seconds. Now whenever, if you go ahead, you can get microseconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds also, but the standard unit, I'm talking about the standard unit, that will be second, the shortest duration. Okay, now 60 seconds will make a duration of 1 minute, and again 60 minutes will make the duration of 1 hour. Okay, now if we talk about today, what happened, Oscar, what happened? Okay, now suppose if we are talking about 24 hours. Okay, so 24 hours means it's 1 day. If we are talking about 7 days, it means it's 1 week. Okay, 1 week. And if we are talking about 30 or 31 days, it means we are talking about month. Okay, now the days, sorry, 28, 29 will be the exceptional case, that is for February. Okay, 30 and 31 days will depend on this method: January, February. The one which is the one which is compression, means which is lifted upwards, will contain 31 days. The one which is downwards, depression, that will contain 30 days. Okay, so all these things but in this way we have to calculate the time. The shortest duration is seconds. Okay, 60 seconds will make 1 minute, 60 minutes will make 1 hour. And so if look here, if I ask you that in 1 hour how many seconds are there, so first of all what you have to do in 1 hour, make 60 minutes. Okay, then in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So 1 hour will contain 60 times 60, that will be equal to 3600 seconds. Okay. Yes, Dhar, very good. Now look here. It's already given. 1 week will be equals to 7 days. 1 month will be it's not exactly 4 weeks, because 4 weeks means 28 days. So it will always either 4 weeks 2 days or 4 weeks 3 days. It will contain like that. Okay. 1 year will be 12 months or 52 weeks along with some days as well. Okay. Now when we are talking about decade means 10 years, a period of 10 years. So 10 years means it will include 120 months. Okay. Now 1 century means 1 century is 100 years. If we talk about millennium, 1 millennium is equals to 1000 years. Okay. Any problem? No problem. Okay. Fine. Now time conversion chart. Okay. So when we are talking about 1 hour, okay, or okay, 1 minute. 1 minute will be 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds or 6,000 milliseconds. Okay. Now, when we are talking about 1 hour, 1 hour will be 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. 1 day is 24 hours. Neil, what happened? Your screen is okay. 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Okay. And in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So 24 hours will have, yes, Oscar, 24 into 60. That will be 1440 minutes. Okay. Similarly, in 1 week, there will be 7 days. Yes, Oscar, what happened, beta? Tell me. You want to say that it will be 1 more zero here? No? Then have you write it in the chat box. You can't speak. Write it in the chat box. You want to go somewhere? No? Okay. Okay, fine. Now 1 week will be 7 days. Okay. And 7 days means what? 7 into 24, that is 168 hours. You have a background. I can't see whatever you are writing. You can write it in the chat box. That can you see the chat box? No. You are not able to write it. You're with because of your background, whatever you are showing, I can't see it. Okay, fine. I want. You want what? What you have written? I. I cannot understand, Oscar. What he's writing? Yeah, Neil, can you understand what he's saying? It's okay, Oscar. If it's not too urgent, it's okay. Leave it. It's urgent.
I can't write in chat.
Okay, you can't write it. What happened? What is the urgent thing?
I can't write in chat. I'm trying to type in what's a million years then?
Milliseconds?
A
Millennium?
million.
Millennium? It's about 1,000 when we are talking about 1,000 years.
No, a million
Million?
years. What's a
Million is million is the word which is used in the international numeration system. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million. Then we go with billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. It's million is the word which is used in the numeration system, international numeration system. Okay. Now, okay, 1 month is equals to 4 full. Yes, what happened, Nick? Tell me. Tell me, Neil.
How much is 100 tickets?
100?
Decade. 100 ticket is equal to how much century?
How much century? 100 decade? 100, 1 decade? 100 decade will be equals to, look here. 1 decade is 10 years. So 100 decade will be what? 1,000 years. So it means it will be 10 centuries. Okay. Fine. Now 1 month is equals to 4. All of you please keep your call on mute. You are not allowed to unmute and say. If it's very urgent now, then you can ask. Okay. 1 year will be equal to 12 months. Okay. Or it will be equivalent. It's not exactly equal. Okay. If you can see that equivalent means it will have some weeks and some days as well. Okay. Now, 1 decade is equals to 10 years. 1 century is equals to 10 decades. Okay. Because why? 1 century is also equals to 100 year. So if we are talking about how many decades, so it will be 10 decades, because 1 decade 10 years, so 10 decades 100 years, and 1 century is always 100 years. Okay. Now coming to this one, when you have to means when you are learning about 12-hour system, basically what is 24-hour system, beta? You are going to learn from 0 to 24. Okay. But what is 12-hour system? 12-hour system means, okay, Neil, you have a doubt? Okay. Yeah. Good evening, Harish. How are you? Why you joined late, bacha? Okay. So, when we are talking about 0 to 24, we don't use AM and PM. Always remember, because till 0 to 12, okay, till 0 to 12 means morning time, it will be AM only, understood. And from 13 to 23, 55, like this. Okay, it will be PM only. Understood. So 0 to 24 system will not include AM and PM. But 12-hour system, when we are talking about 12-hour system, like in the evening, if I ask you at what time you are taking the class, you say 7. So 7 is doubtful. It can be in the morning, it can be in the evening. So if you are going with a 12-hour system, you have to use the word AM and PM. What is AM? AM is anti-meridian. What is PM? PM is post-meridian. Anti-meridian means from morning to midday. Okay, means 12 in the night. Midnight to midday will be anti-meridian. AM. Suppose mostly we say 1 at night. Okay, if you woke up at 1 at night, and if I asked you, okay, at what time you woke up, you say, ma'am, I woke up at 1 a.m. Okay, midnight to midday it will be AM. Then midday to midnight it will be PM. This is the evening time. Okay, midday to midnight means from 12 in the noon to 12 in the night, it will be PM. Okay. What happened? What 3 a.m.? You have already written 3 a.m. 3 a.m. means morning 3. Okay. Now look here. What is 24-hour system? 24-hour system means you have to add plus 12. Okay. 0 to 12 will work like that. Oh, what happened, Oscar? You will not let me teach? Don't write in the chat box. This is a demo class, Oscar. Try to understand. If there is a genuine question, ask. Don't disturb in the class, please. If you have genuine question, ask. If you're writing in the chat box, I'm getting distracted. Other students are here to take the demo, beta. If you have genuine question, I'm here to entertain you. Don't worry for that. Okay. Now, what is 24-hour system? 24-hour system means when we are just from midnight to midday till 12. Okay, suppose if I ask you at what time you take your lunch, you said, ma'am, I take the lunch at 11:55 in the morning. Okay, so for that, if you go for the 24-hour system, if I ask you at what time you come from the school, so if you come from the school 1 p.m. means 1 in the evening, you will say, ma'am, I come to the school from at 13. 13 means adding 12 to the given number. Okay, so whenever we are going with the format of 0 to 24, for 13, with 13, we will not add AM or PM. Like at 7, the time when you are taking your demo, it's 7 o'clock. Okay, so if I ask you 7 o'clock in the morning, basically, if I talk in 12-hour conversion, I'll say, okay, it's 7 p.m. But suppose if you go with 24-hour system, what you will do, you will add 12 and 7 and you will say, oh, it's 19:06. This is the time. But then you don't have to use AM and PM, mind it. Okay. Either you use 24-hour system, then avoid AM, PM, or you use AM, PM, then you can use 0 to 12-hour system. Okay. Look here. For 13, it's 1 p.m. For 14, 2 p.m. 15, 3 p.m. 16, 4 p.m. 17, 5 p.m. 18, 6 p.m. Like that it will work. 24-hour system. Okay. But yes, if we are talking about AM, PM, then you have to go like PM, 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 PM. Fine. Now, what is the trick? Okay, 24-hour system into 12-hour system. How to convert? Okay, so what is the trick? Suppose if you have to convert 23, 20 and 30, okay, to 12-hour system. What you have to do? Simply write the time, okay? This is always hours, this is always minute, this is always second. HMS, this is the format of representing a time. Now, if you have to convert it into 12-hour format, what you will do? Just subtract 12 from here, okay? 12 from here. So, what you will get? It means, what is the time? It is 11, uh, 11 hours, 20 minutes and 30 seconds. But yeah, it is PM. Okay, because whenever we are subtracting 12 to get any time, then mind it is always in the PM. Midday to midnight, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is going like that. So in that case, if you subtract 12, you will get the time in the 12-hour format, and that will be represented with the help of PM. Don't forget. Okay, now look here. Duration of time. If you have to calculate the duration of the time. Look here. It is measured by measuring the sum or the difference between the end time and the starting time. Look here. Suppose I ask you what will be the duration. It's easy. 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. It's very easy that it will be only 1 hour. Okay. 10:30 minus 9:30. What you will get? 1:00 means 1 hour, no minutes, no seconds. Okay. But if I ask you that from 8:40 to 10:27, what will be the time duration? How you will do that? Look here. For me, what we can do, it's 10:27, okay, and it is 8:40. If you want, you can write it like this: 10:27, 8:40, okay. But the most important thing, when I subtract 7 from 0, I'll get 7. Okay, I'll get 7. But when I have to subtract 2 from 8, 4 from 2, it's not easy. So basically what do? We take the carry from here. Okay, we take the carry from here. Whenever you take carry, don't keep 1 here. No, it's not allowed. What you have to do, beta? You have to, because you are taking carry from hour to minutes. So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Now, what will be the total duration here? The total duration will be 60 plus 27 means 87 minutes will be here, and you have to subtract 40 minutes. So what you will get? 47 minutes. Whenever you take carry forward from hour to minutes, you have to convert it into 60 minutes. Okay. Whenever you are taking the carry forward from minutes to second, then if you are taking carry, Neil, you're not concentrating. What happened? It's okay. Concentrate. Okay. Whenever you are taking borrow from minutes to second, then don't, just as in usual subtraction, what we do, beta, we take only 1 as a borrow. But here we don't have to do like that. What we have to do? We are taking the borrow from the minute. So 1 minute you are taking borrow, and 1 minute is equals to what? It is 60 seconds. So you have to convert it like this. Okay. 60 and then add this number, then subtract. So you will get 47. From here you will get 1. So 1 hour 47 minutes. Okay. Or more easier way is that, look here. 8:40 to 10:27 they are asking. Easy way. 8:40 to 10:40. Go like this. Okay. So 2 hours. But we have to get 10:27 means 13 minutes are extra. So in 2 hours, subtract 13 minutes. So what you will get? 1 hour 47. Okay. Is this clear? There are so many ways to solve one problem. It depends that whatever you feel comfortable. Is it clear? Now look here. Suppose if the difference is from AM to PM. Okay. Yeah. Now look here. Suppose it is 11:15 p.m. and the time is 10:45 a.m. Okay. So the first thing that you have to do is find the difference in between AM section. Okay. So basically make it like this: 10:45 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. Okay. AM to AM. Okay. Now what is the difference in between 10:45 a.m. to 11:15 a.m.? It will be 30 minutes. 45 minutes, 15 minutes to get 11 a.m. Then 15 minutes past 11. So it will be 30 minutes. 30 minutes difference. Now, from 11:15 a.m. to 11:15 p.m., what is the difference? The difference is of 12 hours. So what will be the answer? The total duration will be 12 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Oscar, is it clear? Okay. Anmol, is it clear? No? Clear? Very good. Harish, is it clear, beta? Very good. Kashif and Devansh will not turn on their camera as they are angry with me. Neil, is it clear? Good. Where is that kid? Okay. Fine. Now it's your time. Okay. Uh, Ma'am, you can unmute, I think. You want to say something?
So I am attending his class.
No
Is it
problem,
okay?
ma'am.
Okay.
Has Devansh taken classes earlier also, ma'am?
Yes. He was there last year.
In last
He's
year.
there with me.
And he's
Yeah.
joining from Ahmedabad?
Yes.
Okay. Last time when if I'm not if I'm not taking wrong, that I think last year his grandfather was not well.
Yes. The same one.
He's very cute. How he performed in grade 4, ma'am?
Maths he has performed average, like he has got, but he is improving. He has got around 22 or 23 marks in maths out of 40 in Olympiad. But which
But
is
he's
like, it
very
was.
good, ma'am. I just, when I saw the name, I was very curious that if he's the same Devansh. He has lot of things to talk. Ma'am, this.
Okay, because I was not available. So whenever he used to attend by himself only.
Yes. He's very nice kid. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, fine. Now it's your turn. Okay. The practice question. You have to do it quickly and you have to write in the chat box that what will be the answer. Nancy decided to plan her schedule. She decided that she will wake up at 6:30 in the morning and complete her assignment by noon if she takes 5 minutes to brush her teeth. Do you take 5 minutes to brush your teeth? Kashif, how much time you take to brush your teeth? Okay, you can don't unmute, leave it, no problem. Okay. 30 minutes to take her bath. Oh my God, so much time she is spending in the bathroom. And 40 minutes to have her breakfast before noon. Then how long did she take to complete the assignment? Quickly, give me the answer. Okay. Yes, Neil. You can do the test now. Okay, there are so many answers. Quick. Wow. Very good, Oscar. I have to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. Okay, one more answer I got. Okay, Kashif. Your name is Kashif? I don't think so. Is it your name? Okay. Neil. They are saying B. Oscar is saying so many D, not one D, so many D. Most probably it will be B. Unknown, it's D. Why D? Look here. 7D with 7D. Look here. Nancy decided to plan her schedule. Okay. She wake up at 6:30 in the morning. 5 minutes to brush her teeth, 30 minutes to take her bath, 40 minutes to take the breakfast. So 75 minutes she spent on this. Means 1 hour, 15 minutes she spent on this. So 1 hour, 15 minutes means now suppose 7:45. Now how long but she has to complete her assignment before noon. So it means she will take 4 hour 15 minutes. Okay. Those who has given option B, perfectly correct. Good. Very good. B. Okay. Yeah. This one. Survey could complete a swimming race in 5 minutes and 18 seconds. After some practice, she could complete the same race in 4 minutes and 52 seconds. By how much time did her performance improve? Quickly, you have 1 minute to solve this question. 1.5. Okay. Oh, I got the answers in the chat box. Oh, very good. Okay. Very good, Kashyap. Very quick, very intelligent answer. Oscar, no, beta, it's wrong. It should be in minute and seconds. You are giving the answer in hours. Huh? No. Look here, it's so easy. 4 minutes, 52 seconds he took earlier. Okay. 5 minutes, 18 seconds. No. Now he's completing in 5 minutes, 52 seconds. Earlier he took 5 minutes, 18 seconds. What is the time lag in between these two? Okay, so if you want, you can go like this. Write minute over here and seconds over here. Okay, there are two ways to solve this question. First, I'll tell you how traditionally you can solve this question. Okay, 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Now, if you have to subtract 52 from 18, 52 is much larger than 18. You will take a carry forward. When you will take a carry forward from the minutes, you have to make it 60 seconds. So what you will do? You will add 60 in 18. So you will get 78 seconds minus 52 seconds. And the answer will be 26 seconds. Only Kashyap has given the correct answer. Very good. And very quick. He was very quick to give this answer. Second thing that how you do what is the another way? 4 minutes for 52 seconds. Okay. Earlier he was taking 5 minutes, 18 seconds. Now look here. How much time gap is it between these two? So 8 seconds in completing 5 minutes and then 18 extra seconds. So what you will do? You can add like this and you will get 26 seconds time lag. Okay. But go with the previous one, the subtraction one. That will be easier for you to do. What you have to do? You have to subtract like this minute and second. Okay. 4 and 52. Since 18 is less than 52, so you have to take the carry forward. You are taking the carry forward from the minute. So if you are taking the carry forward 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. Now 60 plus 18 will be 78 seconds and then subtract 52. You will get 26 seconds. Is this clear? Show me a thumbs up if it's clear. 1 minute 46 seconds. OMG. Atharva joined very late. Oh, it's the answer is shown here. Okay. This one. Quickly. The last one. Okay. It's not possible. Look here. Superman started flying from New York at 17 on Sunday. 17 means 5 p.m. on Sunday in the evening. Sunday to Monday. Okay. So Sunday to Monday, 17 to 17, it will include 24 hours. Then 17 to 21, 30. Okay. Okay, sorry. He rested 4 hours. Sorry, I missed it. Yes, he rested 4 hours in between, then resumed the journey. It means in 4 hours, 30 minutes, he rested for 4 hours. So 30 minutes extra he flight. Okay, so the answer is 24.5. Very good, Oscar. I'm very sorry. I just missed this word. Okay. Okay, so that's all. Yeah, what you have learned today, units you have learned that it is seconds, minutes, hours, days and years. Okay, then you have learned about two system, that is 12 hours, AM to PM and 24-hour system. Then you learn conversion, that is plus or minus 12 rule. And the second that you learned about the duration. The last one, thank you. If you have any doubt, please ask. You're free to ask the doubt. Yes. Did you like the session? No? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you, Harish. Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubt, please ask. Just a minute. I can't see the Oscars chat. Yes. Wow. So many yes. Oh, wow, Neil. Happy birthday in advance. Tomorrow is Neil's happy birthday. So happy birthday in advance. Okay. May God bless you with good, long, happy, healthy, and successful life. No doubts. Okay, fine. Then shall I end up the session? If you don't have any doubt. Hope to see you soon. Okay? Bye. Bye. You can, if you have any doubt, please ask. No doubts? I can't see the chat section. Okay, bye, bye, bye.